Most local businesses know they need more five-star reviews. They just don't have the time to manage them. So I built an AI super agent on GoHighLevel that automatically sends review requests, responds to them, follows up with customers, and manages their reputation 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this AI super agent. I'll give you the exact prompt to fast track it, and I'll show you a very tactical way to package this and sell it to local businesses for $497 plus per month. Let's jump right in. All right, so here is the reputation AI manager that I've created. This thing is amazing. It's an AI super agent, which is a new feature. In this video, I'm going to be giving you this for free, but I'm also going to be giving you the exact prompt, okay, that build this so you can build multiple of them. But in this video, I'm not just going to be showing you how to build this amazing AI agent and get it for free using my prompt. I'm also going to show you how to package this and sell it to local businesses for a price point of up to $497 per month plus. And yes, I'm going to be showing you why this is worth it, but most importantly, why local businesses will be willing to pay month after month if you do this properly. All right, so first things first, I need to actually explain how this agent works and how it is kind of different from regular reputation management automations. Okay, so the first thing I want to let you know is this new AI super agent feature is new. It does have some bugs. Please note that. It has worked well in certain situations, but again, with new high-level features, they can be a little weird at times. But this isn't just any normal AI agent. If we get under the hood, guys, this basically does everything, okay, and all things reputation management under one umbrella. So I'm talking sending reviews, responding to reviews, making sure people in the CRM are removed, but more importantly, it can even run image campaigns. So if you guys remember Nifty Images, that really cool software that I've used to go out and get reviews, it will take an image and then put placeholder name, which gets people to leave reviews with a much higher rate because it's personalized. So when you're getting reviews, it goes, hey, Rebecca, hey, John, it shows a picture of the owners or you with their name, and it can switch the placeholder. Well, this AI agent, because of the image generation, can do image campaigns. If we come in here, you will see it can run AI image campaigns, okay? And it's really powerful via SMS and all this stuff. So again, this is the future of reputation management, especially on high level. And this agent I've built and this prompt that I'm giving to you for free in this video could change everything for you, okay? And again, I'm not just gonna be showing you how to build it, I'm gonna be showing you how to sell it too. So without further ado, let's go into building this because you kind of understand what it is and how powerful it is and why you need it, but let's go over building it. So we're gonna come right back here. We'll just publish this real quick. Come right back here. We're going to come right out here and we're going to build it. So if you don't know what the super agents are, I have other videos on this. Drop a comment down below. I'll hook you up with it. It's really important that you understand these. I'll link a tutorial at the end of this as well, but they're essentially super agents. So they're like AI chatbots and Ask AI combined. So the way we do it is we're going to click create agent. Okay. And we're going to come right in here and we're going to take this entire prompt just like this. So we have the entire prompt copied and pasted, and we're going to paste it in just like this. Now, as you see up here, in order to get this AI agent to work properly and this prompt, we have to make sure that we fill out these placeholders. Otherwise, it's just going to be random and not going to work. So we're going to do Declan's hair salon. Okay. We're going to put in the reviews link right here so you can get this in the reputation management side of things. Again, if you guys don't know how to do that, drop a comment and I'll send you a tutorial, but we can come right to the Google business profile. Okay. As you see, I manage this. We're going to come right in here to ask for reviews. And we're going to copy this right here because this is a review link. We're going to come right back here again. You can do this with wherever you are working with people's reputation management. So we're going to get that. We're just going to make sure it's there. Main contact for issues, we're going to do Declan, and then we're going to do, boom, we have that right there. And then right here, we're just going to do brand style. We're going to do premium, funny, and luxury. So from there, we have the placeholders filled out so that this prompt is now unique to me. So once we have this and we're like, yo, this looks great, we're then going to click enter and it's now going to build this exact agent, okay, that does all these reputation management things for the Google business profile, okay, inside of here, but it can be the all-in-one manager. Okay, boom, it looks like it is done. Here we go, build reputation management, blah, blah, blah. Let's look right here. Okay, I like what I'm seeing. I like it. Okay, so it looks good to me. Now, again, if you want to update and edit anything, you type in this box over here. That's how you do the super agents. Again, if you don't know how to do that, drop a comment down below. I'll send you the tutorial, or you wait to the end of the video and I'll link that video. But let's publish this. Okay, we're gonna wanna publish this and we're going to want to test said agent. So we're gonna do run a live test. Always test your agents, guys, please. All right, boom. Okay, it's gone through a whole eligibility check, and this is cool too. I've caked this into the prompt. I don't like review gating because it's illegal, so we want to put compliance in there, but it's doing all of this stuff. Okay, as being awesome. Look at that. There's the image. So you're technically with this stuff, it's better to put an image in with a placeholder so you can actually get it. I didn't do that because this is a test video, but it will work better and have their name do that. But if you want to just tweak the live test, it's run the test. It's gone through it. You want to add obviously more if you want to tweak it, but that is essentially it. That is your reputation management. And there's all different ways you can tweak this, but like this is really important. Like very, very, very important. So now that you understand what this reputation manager is, you've seen a test, you understand why it's valuable, you understand the power of the images and all these different things it can do, we now need to go over selling this to local businesses. Because if you can't sell this well or do it for your local business, there's not really any point in doing this. You're just kind of playing with GoHighLevel. So let's move into the next part, which is very important, which is actually going through and selling this. So first things first, let's go over pricing and why this is so important. So as you see right here, this is what the agent can do. It can send the review request, it can track and report, it can handle issues, instant replies, AI image campaigns, smart follow-ups. Like it can do all of these things. That is what these reputation management agents do. Now, a big part of this is not just doing the reputation management. It's that reputation management as a byproduct is local SEO. And you've probably heard of SEO, but it's ranking businesses higher in Google, ChatGPT, all of this stuff. So when you do this properly, okay, and you're actually helping businesses get reviews, something magical happens. And that is that they make more money. That's usually how it works. And when you make businesses more money, you can charge more money. It's very simple. This is not complicated math. This is not some, sneaky equation you have to figure out. It's simple math. And what I've noticed that if you do this properly, businesses have no problem paying $497 plus. I've even charged businesses $2,000 a month for this. Again, it's going to depend on the business, but I have found the sweet spot for this is around $497 because it's $500. If you get 2 of them, it's $1,000 a month. It's a good price point. And again, if you set it up properly, I'm not guaranteeing anything, but if you set it up properly, it can actually solve business problems. And that is why I absolutely love reputation management, is because it solves so many problems. Also, one quick note before we go into selling this and how to pitch this with this price point, reviews are only going to get more important in the age of AI. This is like super, super advanced wisdom, but a lot of SEO tactics that used to work are kind of becoming outdated because with ChatGPT and people can spin up unlimited content to mess with SEO, but reviews you can't fake because it checks the IP and basically finds out where the people laying the reviews are. So it's like very location based and there's like a whole algorithm that detects this. So you can't fake it. So reviews are only becoming more important. And with reputation management, especially on high level, this service is only going to come in more demand. I'm telling you right now, this is very fascinating stuff, guys. This is going to be one of those services that's going to emerge more and more in the AI game. And I think a lot of people are sleeping on this, but I am seeing this like right now. Businesses losing reviews because they have fake ones, businesses going down because they don't have reviews. This is where a lot of the emphasis is going. That's why I created this video, is because you need to be learning it. So we understand that the price point is $497. Okay, that's what I want you to charge for this. The next question is, well, how do we reach out to local businesses and how do we properly do this? All right, so when you are reaching out to local businesses, you want to find the ones, obviously, with less reviews. These ones are going to be kind of tough because they already have a ton of reviews. So when you go into Google, okay, you're going to want to type in your niche and then the location, just like this. And then from there, you're going to want to go to more businesses and we're going to want to find the businesses that are ranking less because those are your targets. See, because the problem is it's a tough sell when people already have a ton of reviews. Yes, you can improve it. Yes, you could get more good reviews, but it's like, it's a tougher solve unless they have a ton of bad reviews. But at that point, it's like, they probably suck anyway. So you want to come down, you want to find the businesses with less reviews because those are the people you're going to rank. Because again, this is like local SEO. So this is how you want to approach these businesses. So first off, you have to find your businesses. So come in, find the ones that don't have a lot of reviews or the people, you want to work on. And I'm just picking random businesses. From there, since you have this agent set up, you want to just let them know, say, hey, I have this amazing reputation management AI agent. Or you don't have to even say it. You can just say, hey, I'm a reputation management agency. I can help you out. And then from there, you're going to say, hey, I see that you don't have a lot of reviews. Let me just get you 5 free reviews. And if I can get you 5 free reviews, you work with me, $497 a month. That way, it's a lead magnet. You're giving something to get something. That way, if you get them set up, not only do you get practice inside of, you guessed it, Go High Level doing this, but it immediately shows them that they get a taste. And it's not going to cost you very much because it's just like emails and stuff like that. But I really recommend you do this because for a lot of businesses, if you're struggling to sell, no, if you can sell on the spot, absolutely do it. I'm not saying don't do that. But a lot of you guys, since you're new, you're going to struggle with getting yeses. And in the beginning, all you need is yeses because you need practice. That's what's going to make you more money. From there, you want to say first 5 reviews are free. Yeah, free 99. Everyone loves that. That way they can see that this works. A lot of people come in, and this is why people hate marketing agencies. They come in, you know, they're using Go High Level. They find some businesses and they go, hey, we'll do this, we'll do that. And then it's just lackluster. They don't get anything. It doesn't really do anything. And then people are left disappointed. Not this way. Come in, get them set up so you get the practice, but then say, hey, I'll get you 5 reviews for free. Track that, which if we come in here, we come back to agents. And I have other videos on this if you guys are interested at all, but we can come to reporting and we can actually create custom reports based off of stuff like reputation management so they can see, okay, not only did they bring me more reviews, but they actually making a difference. And from there, okay, if you get them the 5, like it's pretty much like a done deal. Again, I'm not guaranteeing anything. Some people still will say no, but you've proved yourself. And that's the biggest problem in marketing is people don't prove themselves and then everyone hates agencies. But if you come and you say, hey, I can prove it to you, use this, here's the reports, you know, we can improve your reputation greatly. From there, once you have that dialed in, you can move into the $497 price point. Now, absolutely, like I said before, if you want to go straight for the close, please do it. I recommend it. But a lot of you guys are not advanced and people don't believe me because you don't have any testimonials. Do that. Seriously. Or you know what you could do too is you could say, hey, I'll just get you 5 free reviews. This is another way to pitch it. Say, hey, I'll get you 5 free reviews, but you got to give me a video testimonial. You could say that. But then what happens if you get them 5 reviews and they give you the testimonial, hey, they're going to want more reviews because it's going to rank them higher. So like, guys, this is some advanced stuff. It's very important. I want you guys to use this. Like, I don't just get on and make these videos just to like say random shit to you. I try to give you the best things that worked for me. And again, as a beginner, no one believes you. Like you have to prove yourself. So this is a way to immediately break the ice and look like you're actually trying to help people because you are. Again, if you can go straight for the sale, absolutely do it. But unfortunately, a lot of you guys don't have the experience. So this is a way to get yeses because at the end of the day, you just want to get yeses. So quick recap. Okay. Type in the niche, type in the exact location, find the salons that don't have a lot of reviews, reach out to them via SMS, which make sure you're compliant, email, WhatsApp, Instagram DM, cold call, walk in. So get a hold of them. And then from there, give them the first 5 reviews free, okay, either for a testimony or moving into a paid subscription. And then from there, since you've proved yourself, you can do $497 and then even bump it up and give them more features. So that is essentially how we do it. I want to let you guys know if you are interested in like learning more about this and you want access to this prompt completely free and this amazing AI agent that I've built right here, okay, you just got to go down below and get into my free community. All you got to do it is sign up with High Level under me. Again, the community is free. You just got to pay for High Level, but it's really cheap. And there's a 30-day free trial. So if you're interested, check that out. You can also upgrade under me. But as you see, it's a community full of winners. I mean, like, it's amazing. We actually have winners in here. Again, not guaranteeing you anything. But we have all the trainings you could possibly need. We have a bunch of snapshots too. We have way more AI prompts and way more AI agents for you. Again, we give it away all for free. All the trainings you can want, all of that stuff. Most importantly, we have up to 7 live coaching calls you can attend, even ones with me, where you can talk to me and the other coaches. And guys, this whole community is geared towards you selling High Level. Yes, you'll absolutely learn High Level, but my point is to try to help you make money. Again, as you see, it's all free. But if you can't make money and you can't legitimately sell to local businesses, you're just a hobbyist playing with High Level. And this is what a lot of the guys on YouTube are doing is they're just saying, learn more tech, but none of you guys are making money. I have to tell you the truth. And the truth is, if you can't sell this, you can't make money. So it's like, what do you want here? Do you want to just play with this shit or do you want to make money? Again, it's going to be hard work. There's no such thing as getting rich quick. I say this all the time. I try to be honest, but the thing is that it is amazing once you get it working. Like, it literally is amazing. Local businesses do actually pay you if you do it right. And it's like pretty easy to fulfill. It's way better than a 9-to-5. So again, I'm not trying to like oversell this. It's just like, I think a lot of you guys are missing out on the internet money. And if you're just willing to work a little bit hard for it, you can make some amazing things happen. And again, all of this community, all this stuff is free right down below. So if that interests you, check it out. I think you're really going to like it. If you have any questions at all, drop in the comments down below. Make sure you get your hands on this prompt and this AI agent, which are in the community for free. But what I want to do now is I want to link a video at the end of this video that's going to be going over the AI super agents. It's a full tutorial. You got to learn it. If you don't know how to do it, you're just going to be confused. Please watch that because it's going to help tremendously. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Without further ado, watch the video that pops up right now.